at this line of CH. Just absorb that all in right there. This right here is no slack, I'm telling y'all. What we got here, Deadpool, boy. This is a Deadpool car.
I was gonna order a chassis, and then he told me it was gonna be like 8-9 months.
Plus he swapped out.
I mean,
Cool swap, man. Ain't got no wires.
Yeah, I mean,
everything is tucked. Designs in it. Look at that. Take a good look at that. Original and the turbo any. My boy right here, huh? Thought I wasn't gonna catch you, huh? Where you parking at?
Right here.
Cam is nowhere to be found. Yeah, Cam, I got you, boy. He too clean. He too clean. Got it?
These arms get tired.
Just let it rest, huh? Damn, boy. They got a little bit of everything. All right, y'all. I know it been some time, man. But we at, wait, what is this thing called, bro?
Kicks and cars.
Kits and cars, man. We doing kits and cars out here in Arizona with a lot of sports cars, hot rods, you know, Lambos, foreigns, whatever it is, it's all out here. It's definitely all out here. But anyways, before we get into this, man, welcome to G1 Vision, another vision of G1. How y'all doing today? But we out here again. I don't know, man. This is gonna be a pretty good vlog, I think, man. It's been hot. I know I ain't been vlogging lately, but before we get into all that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all post notifications, comment down below and let me know and let me show. That's what we about to do. So let's jump into this, man. What are we looking at here? What is we looking at here? First of all, that's his Instagram right there. Tick Bar Marty. Ooh. He crazy. He crazy. What is this though? Just got the I think that's the 6 something. I'm not sure 6 something, but it's not the cat, but it look good. It look good. I see you with the F-150. Oh, Bumblebee right there. Don't sleep on them blacks right there. I know he a dog. I know all. Oh, look at that line of C8s. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, hold on, man. Look at this line of C8s. Just absorb that all in right there. I really need y'all to absorb that all in. Like, do y'all see what I see? Like, for real. Absorb that all in right there. So let's go ahead and step into this sexy line of C8s. Boy, this is like heaven to me right here. Look at this bloom. These things is crazy. Look at this. Look at this with the bloody seats. Oh, he looks so good. I think I've seen this one before. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. He's sitting on 4Gs. Niggas can't afford these. They're nice. I like the peanut butter and black. Black down the back. And this right here is probably like already gonna be my favorite because I love green and it's the perfect green that I like. And it's sitting on the 4Gs too. This right here is no slack, I'm telling y'all. This is no slack. This is a C8 of all C8s. No, I ain't gonna lie. Yes, I actually do. Hey man, welcome to G1 Vision, man. I'm another vision of G1. Go ahead and check me out on YouTube, man. I do nothing but car content and just, you know, enjoy life, lifestyle vlogging. What's your YouTube?
Emilio602.
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 Emilio602. So yeah, y'all go ahead and check him out on his YouTube because I believe he got his YouTube popping, man. He doing his thing. Nice to meet you, man. Hey, man. So yeah, this green one right here. I'm loving it. But back to what I was saying is, my boy Jenny Boys, you got one. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna shame yours. Yours is still one of the hardest ones I've seen. I just need to pull next to you and this one right here. That's what I need to do. But this right here, that green is nasty. That liquid green is too nasty. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even. Ew, I can't stop looking at it. And I'm really not big on chrome, but the way that he make that chrome stick out with that green, that really did it right there. Spoiler on the back, boy. Yellow boy. Ooh, look at this Nardo gray. Jesus. What, more of these?
Not the newer. There's like one newer one, but
yeah. Yeah. This Nardo gray is crazy. I know the camera to y'all, it probably look white, but it ain't. Million style. Look, Johnson. Oh, that ain't you up there, Johnson? What? Look, the drone. You didn't bring it?
I bought 3 of them.
Yeah? We're gonna need them shots. Yeah. Yeah, that gray is nasty. And they got the red seats in the inside. I don't know if they allow you to open the doors. I can't say allow. I just wouldn't disrespect nobody by opening their doors like that. But these things is crazy. These things is crazy. It's the type of club I'm trying to be in. So yeah, man, this orange one kind of reminds me of that one over there, just a little different in the color. I like how you put the red in the headlights. Aftermarket. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of look like it could be made on there. I know the lights is pretty thin. All white and black. It ain't too bad. I'm still pushing. Yeah. They got the old bed. I know my boy Jenny Boy was showing one of these. This look like just like the one you was showing up. I want to say, my guy. You got, hey Jenny Boy, man, you gotta let that join the drop top chicken box, man. But yeah, they got a line of them out here. It's a nice little C7 over there. Look like he drag race ready over there in the corner. But yeah, you see that they got the Stangs, Dodge, that whole lineup is Dodge. Go check them out. Nice, look at that round face, boy. He down there sitting on the floor. I don't know if they got bags on it. It's a sticker, and it is still clean though. Custom music. Oh, it's nice. It's yours?
No.
Oh yeah.
VP's car. Yeah.
Oh, I see. He got the bags in there.
Walking around.
Oh.
Yeah, mine's the 19's on bags down there.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, the Challenger. Yeah,
It's a green one?
Huh?
It's green too?
No. That's another guy's. Mine is the Octane red one.
Oh, I did walk past yours over there at first.
He does it.
Oh, okay.
That's the VP's car.
Okay, y'all nice over here, man. Already. Ain't gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I love that green too, that forest green. So gonna start up and rumble. Oh my God. I know this ain't a mirror. I know. This is probably one of the hardest Camaros I've seen. I promise you. That mirror hard, I can't lie. That mirror is too motherfucking hard. I'm not even gonna cap, man. I'm not even. Oh, what they say? Yeah, he nasty. Yeah, he a problem, I ain't gonna lie. He a problem out here. I better see, if I don't see one better than that, he take the cake for me. He definitely take the cake. 345. Wonder what makes that a 345. Go ahead, tap in on his Instagram. Tap in on his Instagram. I think that's the old boy I just talked to that was over there. Yeah, that's the Dodge. That's the Dodge. Let's go find out where my brother at. We go probably step out that way. I see they got a bunch of food trucks over there, so I am hungry. But I ain't gonna lie, the C8's got me stuck over here, boy, and that's gonna be my first dream car right there, I promise you. Swear to God it is. But let's call and see where my brother at. We're gonna look at some more cars. All right, we didn't find out where he was at, so we can go ahead and check out this guy that's on his belly.
Scott, when he was at GSI, and I was gonna order a chassis, and then he told me it was gonna be like 8-9 months, and I know it's 11.5 months.
Plus he swapped out.
I mean, I've been talking to him about a new chassis.
It's a nice little swap, man. Ain't got no wires.
Yeah, I mean,
everything is tugged.
He's legit, you know.
That's definitely a beauty.
So much competition out there.
Some cap. It's definitely a beauty. Big tug. And tubbed out.
I never heard anybody bend it. But you can pull the full bears, like 14 bears, fuel cell, everything for like 14 or like 20,000.
Oh, swap.
5.3?
6.2.
It's a 4th gen motor? It's a 4th gen motor in there?
L99.
Oh, yeah? Oh, it came out the Escalade. Oh, yeah, you got the big boy. You got the big boy. With the spare on the side. It's a nice truck, man.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Look at the paint on this. This is like a 3D paint type. That ain't even say paint. I don't know why I'm saying paint. Like I believe that's a wrap. But oh my God, like this is nasty right here. Go ahead and check out this Instagram. One time for the one time. Let me get this on the light so y'all can see. That's different. That's big time different. Big time. Alright, what we got here? Deadpool, boy. This is a Deadpool car. That's hard. Oh man, y'all better just sleeping on Arizona. They get real creative out here. I'm not even gonna cap it because he got it all up under the hood. That's hard. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's graphic.
That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I probably want to get my car
Graphics. Deadpool, man. You did that. AZ Deadpool, man. You did that. Check out his IG. Y'all can see more. Y'all see more probably pics and videos of this thing. Maybe the making of it. No telling. No telling. Hello Kitty. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. And he's a cat. Is you right here? What I have to do? No. Oh, one of your boys? Yeah. This one is nasty. This is too nasty. I don't even know what the call is. Hey, what's the color you think they'll call this right here?
Space gray blue.
Space gray blue? Ooh, wee. Space gray blue, man. It's a cat. I ain't even gonna lie with the fiberglass on the top. Carbon fiber. Come on, quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. Real. Let's see what else we got over here. Hope I ain't getting copyrighted. Stupid clean. The original and the turbo still any. I respect this, man, because he didn't swap it. And I can bet you money that this car probably will get with most of y'all LS swaps out there. I promise you. Nice black on it. Look at that reflect on that black. That's some real black on there. That's definitely some real black on there. This yours right here, man?
Yeah.
Some nice national right here, I ain't gonna lie. I like how you kept it in there. Oh my God, this is nice right here.
Original paint.
Original? I was about to say, this gotta be the real black on there. Super nice, man. Definitely got a lot of respect on this.
Thank you.
Yes, look at it. Yes, sir. That was worth my walk to the end of this line. Let's jump in the next line. All right, y'all. Look at this ZL1. Look at this ZL1 with the grasshopper on it. He built in.
I like it.
This might be a wrap. Nice blue on there. Nice blue. I can't cap.
Huh?
Definitely a nice blue. One more. Lambo. Lambo go Rambo. See that bull, man? That really stands for being a tourist. You know what it is, man? My sign is a tourist, so you know what we is in vehicles. We a Lambo. Lamborghini. Alright, that Urus, boy. He's still nasty. Ooh, I didn't see that. Another Grand National? What? What? I love these things right here. Grand National ain't clean if it ain't black. It's OG style. We got two of them in the building. They should have parked them back to back over there. My boy right here, huh? Thought I wasn't gonna catch you, huh? Where you parking at?
Right here.
I'm gonna walk over there in a minute. The LS swapped out. Stupid LS swapped out. But yeah. Ooh, we got the Grand Theft Auto edition. We got the Grand Theft Auto edition. He up there. He got me, y'all. Got me. Check out the tray. Trey and the Dre Day. And he the SS guy. Is you right here? Oh yeah? Oh yeah, he came out here right. He came out here right. Look at the graphics on this. OG style. Definitely OG'd out. Him right here, boy. He's graphic out of this world, man. I'm telling y'all, man, in Arizona, y'all can find some of the best painters here. Y'all can find some of the best painters. Like, a lot of people can lay paint, but when you can lay it and put the graphics in it, you know, it's really not my preference of too much graphics, but for the art of it, it's crazy. Look how this paint is laid. Like, look at that. Candy with designs in it. Look at that. Let's try to get a good look at that. Come on now, quit playing. Sagging. Ooh. That boy, you get casual in him. You get real casual in him. And he crazy clean. What is this? This gotta be the... It almost looks like a Rabaton in a way. Cam is nowhere to be found. Yeah, Cam, I got you, boy. Oh, there you go. There go this man right here.
I've been doing this since 05, baby.
Boy, he been doing it. Well set in the game. My boy shit. Boy, and he's sitting on the 4Gs. They can't afford these. I remember when I first bought it, I bought a Camaro. And when I bought my Camaro, this nigga said, I want one of them. Remember, Cam? When I had my Camaro, you was like, I want one of them. I want one of them. And when I say he went and got one, he went and got one. He went and got one where he bought it like this. He built it like this. He too nasty. With the offsets in the back. 4Gs, man, come on. I still got to get mine together. That black one? Which one? Right here, huh? That one clean. There's two of them here. For getting that car wash? Okay, y'all. Finna check out and see what they got at their concession stands. Man, I'm looking for something to drink. And everything ain't looking good. I think this is a lemonade. Excuse me. Y'all had lemonade?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah? How much for, what's your sizes?
We only have the one size, just like that.
Yeah? I'll take a strawberry.
Strawberry, good choice. That's the most popular one for sure.
Alright, y'all. Got my drizzling. Drizzling. I needed that drink bad. Oh, I should have went to them. They got a horchata. That's what I wanted. Boy, my son will go crazy for these. My son will go crazy. All right, man. Dude right here play for the NBA.
Trying to find a man that Jason likes, so I can keep putting it up and got it right the same night. You ever heard of it? Without me more than half of you.
McLaren stupid, huh? That copyright guy right there. This is right here.
They make a million of you.
Yes, she did.
She had before these.
Yeah. What year is this?
She ain't had the
Oh,
money.
this is the same car.
22, nigga. Is it?
Oh, yeah, it ain't hers.
I don't know.
Big boys on there. They pulling through with the old schools. They got back here, man. They done filled up back here a little more. Look at that vet over there. Boy, this is Dodge City. When I tell you Dodge City is Dodge City, why does it look like my brother truck right there? It is. He done pulled it on the inside. Swear. Oh, B-Nut. Not much, boy.
Chillin'.
Boy, look at that neck on you.
Man, come on, man. You got it, man.
Looking good, man.
Appreciate it. Where your brother at?
Nothing, he up over there. He up over there chopping on. Oh, he gonna park right here. He sure did. What you done pulled up in today, man?
I got the C8.
Oh yeah, you in the C8, huh? You still got the
This thing worked out right there. The cat.
yeah, the cat. Boy, that monster.
Yeah.
I know he's still crazy, huh? See my boy Peanut, man. He got the C8 out. He done brought the C8 on out of here. I see him. How long y'all been here?
Too long.
Too long.
When that sun was up.
All right, so I'm a stroller. I'm gonna come back around with you. All right. So yeah, y'all, man. C8s. What's this right here? What is he right here? Somebody take a wild guess. Comment down below what he coming through in right here. It's a nice. It's a neon. Can't do it. The Cutlass with the white lights on the back. Get past you, man. Don't run me over. Don't run me over with the two-step on a range. Look at this. battery going low. I'm gonna ride it until this battery shut off. So I'm doing it for y'all, but thank God I was thinking smart this time. I brought an extra camera. Could have brought an extra battery, but I don't know. ZV-1 show better at night, but I love the smoothness of this GoPro. Yeah, we at the back of the back. Daytona with the slicks, see? He came up here to put in work, really. Everybody got a Dodge. Everybody got a Dodge. And he got him sitting on 6s. C10 on 6s. Dodge. Dodge, Dodge, Dodge. Jesus. This is why I don't really care for Dodge. I would take a lot of stuff over a Dodge. Like, I ain't saying they bad looking or anything. They fast, they do their thing. But I don't care for them because look, they just here, there, Dodge everywhere. Like, it's nothing particular that I should get. Like, it'd be nice to have one for a good price. But if everybody got them, it's everybody's car. Look at the lights on this thing. I love the way they look. Like, see Dodges everywhere. I don't care where you at. You're gonna see a Dodge Charger, Challenger everywhere. It never fails. I'm telling y'all. Telling y'all. With the full moon. See that full moon right there? With the full moon. Nice green on this thing. Okay. Got the little rice burner. I see you with the Lexo.
The world been dying, days is numbered, check the climate, I'm sick of it. They had brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and the whip is quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star, bitch. I'm raising a bar like they really pay me to talk. My life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't up? This not just for the show, but bet you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked, the master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother, told my truth. I shake that fake shit, they praise you, they minimize you. Behind you, just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth.